देखिए, ऐसा था कि पहली बार भारत के प्रधानमंत्री 1992 के बाद यूक्रेन आए हैं, तो ये अपने आप में इसका महत्व होता है। तो जैसे ऐसे समय में ये भी स्वाभाविक है कि प्रधानमंत्री जो हैं वो अपने होस्ट को, प्रेसिडेंट ज़ेलेंस्की को निमंत्रण देते हैं। इस बार उन्होंने दिया था, तो हमारी अपेक्षा है कि उनके सुविधा के अनुसार राष्ट्रपति ज़ेलेंस्की जो है भारत में उनका विजिट भी होगा। So essentially what I said was that Prime Minister was here for the first time after 1992. It is natural on such occasions that he extends an invitation, which he did in this case. So we expect that at some point, as per his convenience, President Zelensky will visit India. How to take it forward? I think there is a diversity of views. I mean, there is a diversity of views, not just involving India. I think many other countries who have also taken part in this summit have their particular views on how to take it forward. Now, what we heard from the Ukrainian side today was their view and, their expectation on how to go forward, which, is understandable. But I think in terms of our view is that any exercise, if it has to be productive, will naturally have to involve the other party concerned. I mean, it cannot be obviously, a completely one-sided or a one effort which would fructify. Regarding sanctions issue, I would say, look, generally, in India we do not impose sanctions on any country. It's not part of our political, diplomatic history. If at all there are sanctions, I mean, we generally look at UN sanctions. Those are the sanctions that we respect. In terms of the last question, students, look, at the peak there were more than 20,000 students here. Obviously, 2022, many of them went back. Some have come back. They come back because, there are various academic compulsions on them. My understanding is that there are roughly somewhere between 2,000 to 2,500 students, am I correct? Currently. I mean, at this time, if you're asking us what advisory would we give them, we would still urge caution because, you can see there is a conflict on. I mean, it depends again on the place, on the city. But our hope again is that, this conflict will come to an end, life will return to normal, and that we will see the full return of Indian students in due course.